Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add volume profile on Thinkorswim. Open Charts, click Studies, and choose Edit Studies to add volume profile immediately. Select the volume profile study, then pick a time frame or range to calculate the profile. Adjust settings like row size, display style, and aggregation period to match your trading horizon. Finally, save the study set so you can apply this profile quickly to other symbols and layouts. To make the volume profile useful, tweak the row size and display options until it feels intuitive on your charts. Smaller row sizes reveal more detail, while larger sizes smooth noise and highlight broader levels. Choose fixed range for specific swings, session for intraday context, or visible range for what you see on screen. Turn on POC and value area labels for quick reference, and save a custom study set to reuse across layouts and symbols. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidying easy while you focus on charts. It maps rooms, handles hair and dust, and saves minutes every day so you trade without stopping to clean. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Reading the profile helps you find meaningful price levels where real trading occurred, not just candles. Focus on the point of control as a primary reference and watch how price reacts at the value area high and low for support or resistance cues. Compare profiles across intraday and higher timeframes to spot confluence, and use volume spikes to confirm breakout quality. Practice on a few symbols until the visual signals match your trade decisions comfortably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.